Okay. Cool. Hold on. I want to show this first before anything. Look at that.
Are we not doing our thing?
Well, we're gonna.
Welcome to the channel. This is Nick Schmidt with StrangerPalooza. No.
Yeah. Well, that's fine.
All right.
We're just trying to do this fast.
Welcome back to the channel. This is Nick Schmidt with StrangerPalooza. This is my friend Hank Strange of SSRV. How you doing today, Hank?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. We're here in Gainesville at the wonderful Sunshine State RVs visiting our roles are reversed.
Yeah, this is completely unplanned, but you have a very nice Midwest automotive, what is Ford Patriot?
Ford Patriot.
Yes. Run it down because it looks good. We've done these videos.
You're not going to be the one talking?
Just project your voice because I don't have a mic on you.
You should do it where the roles are reversed, where I'm filming and you talk the whole time.
Okay, see? You're running up the time.
Oh, my bad. So this is cool, right? This is Arabian gray.
Look at that.
This is like a really super custom color.
Yeah.
At Midwest. Something else really cool they did was they did high gloss black on the grill. This is the Ford Patriot and LED headlights, high gloss black mirrors.
That's very nice. Yeah, the headlights are
wheels.
awesome.
The guy that ordered this thing, we custom did this for someone. He was very particular about every single thing he wanted, and it turned out absolutely awesome.
Inside, so this is leaving tomorrow or something?
Leaving tomorrow. Yeah. Well, actually, so what's happening right now, I got two of my guys in here. So we got Zach.
Zach
has been...
What's up, Zach?
How you doing? Zach has been with
Nick sharing the spotlight for once.
I know, can you believe it? Zach has been with us 4 years, one of our detailers.
All right.
And he is giving it its final touches and making sure that tomorrow when the person gets here who ordered this, when they see it, it's going to be perfect for them, right?
Perfect.
Yeah.
It looks fantastic. Whoever this is, you got a lot of class, a lot of style.
Yes, very cool. But Zach does an awesome job. Super faithful guy. Comes to work every day, never complains. And
he puts up with you. God bless him.
Well, he is a Gator fan, so you know that is one of the
that's all you need, huh?
He is from Memphis, Tennessee, though, so I don't know.
Oh.
I know we've converted him a little bit.
Yeah, hey.
But
a lot of good people come out of Memphis. Oh boy.
Not only is look at this.
Trouble.
So here's another one. Before someone comes and picks up the RV, not only does it get wiped down and cleaned, but it gets totally gone through and inspected by Corey.
Hello.
What's up, Corey? Look at that.
What's up?
Corey getting the speaking part in this one.
Well, Corey does most of the speaking here anyway, so I'm the one that speaks on the camera. Corey speaks to the customers. So Corey does all of our walkthroughs, teaches everybody how to use every RV every time they come and buy here. And I got a challenge. Let's see if we can get 40 people who have watched this video to comment that they got their walkthrough done by Corey. What do you think?
And we got a lot more than that.
A lot more than 40?
A lot more.
I think you did 40 last month.
Yeah, a lot more.
How long have you been with us, Corey? 10 years?
Oh, longer than that.
Longer than that?
Yeah. It's longer than 10 years.
So you know when you see Atlas holding up the world?
Yes.
That's Corey right here holding up SSRV.
Corey has two phones. He has his work cell phone that everybody calls and his personal phone.
Correct.
And everyone that buys an RV here gets one of Corey's cell phone numbers, and then they get access to tech support and all that stuff from Corey, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
But he's in here making sure everything works the day before, maybe because he's gonna be the one teaching him how to use it. So if he goes to press a button and it doesn't work, Corey gets a little embarrassed.
Yep. So I usually come in here, I turn the AC, check the water pump, check the cabinets, look for remotes, and make sure the main things are working. And then usually I'll have the customers come in behind me and check the stuff I miss, and then we'll get our techs to come in and fix those things. So normally I would run them overnight. I'll put the AC on like 78 and then put the hot water on. That way when I come in the morning, those things are already taken care of.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And Corey has to know not only Midwest, but Coachman and Road Track and Storyteller and Dynamax and Winnebago and Westphalia and every brand. He has to know where all of this stuff is.
And then every floor plan stuff is different.
I've seen Corey where something brand new comes in and Corey's like, okay, now I got to figure all of this out. Yes. Very nice. What do you think about this, the Ford version of the Patriot from Midwest? Any thoughts on that?
I like the new colors.
Yeah,
I like this.
You like the outside color?
I like the outside color and the blackout diversion. Everything's blacked out. The stealth mode kind of thing.
Yeah,
yeah. And
this is shiny, high gloss here. You like that?
Yes. And just I love this color. I love the inside color.
So this is this is the white interior with black Denali.
So that's what we're looking at on everything?
Black piping.
Okay.
Kind of looks like I don't know, like a tuxedo version. Like, you know how like when you went to prom, Corey, you wore a white tuxedo with a black tie and the little pinstripes. I can see you wearing that.
I could just picture that.
I can picture Corey wearing that.
No.
No? What'd you wear to prom? What color?
He's a rebel. He didn't go to prom.
Did I go to prom?
His school colors are purple. It's the ugliest colors. Ugliest colors.
Boy.
Gainesville High School has the ugliest colors.
Start a war.
White. Buell's High School, black and gold. We went to rival high schools.
Oh.
We both played football, just in different decades. Different decades. Corey went on to college to play football. Actually.
Oh, nice.
He did. Went to UCF.
Yeah.
He was a knight.
Oh,
Yeah.
sweet. My boys went to PK Young. That's the best.
In private school.
Yeah.
That's kind of like a private school.
Come on, that's on the university campus.
You know, something I
official.
love how Midwest does stuff like this. They don't just leave it like a white plastic cover. They go through and they really
it all up.
upgrade and cover everything up. What's your favorite thing about a Midwest like this, Corey?
My favorite thing about the Midwest. That's a good question. All right, I like the 8-degree ACs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I like the Timberline.
yeah.
The Timberline furnace and heater. Okay. I love the overall quality of the build of this unit myself. When you walk in, you know, you can see how nice it's all laid out. As far as comfort, when you sit back here, if you sit back here and actually feel the cushions, it is a very smooth ride. I like the upgraded cushions back in here.
Ron's done a good job with the upgraded cushions, haven't they?
Correct. I love the lighting. The other thing I like also is with the system back in here, like I have another little mini Firefly system that I can control back here, because sometimes your cell phone might not, some people not be cell phone techie, so they can control the stuff back here and use the stuff here. Also, now that they upgraded cushions, when they lay the bed out, everything is smooth now and it's leveled out, which is rarely to do in this industry. Have a couch fold out and it be leveled.
Yeah.
So I like that with this here.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of the Ford versions of these, and Midwest didn't have too many of them up until now. It seems like now there's a bunch
Man,
coming
we're
out.
A lot of them now. Ford, I mean, they're really supplying Midwest, and so they're making a lot more. You know, something unique that Midwest does on the Fords is they give you a 1350 amp hour lithium system. They also give you the all-in-one utility bay that has the Macerator, the power reel.
Yeah, Macerator's
all the
new,
water.
right?
Macerators are new.
Yeah.
All of that is for 2026. So all of these colors, those options, the 1350, the all-in-one Macerator, this color package here, they're doing Starlink now. So many new things that they're doing and these new cushions here, new cushions that you're sitting on. All of that is brand new for the 2026.
And still Apple TV in here.
Still Apple TV.
Cool.
Apple TV, smart TV here.
Yeah. So is the color of this an upgrade?
It is. It's a big upgrade. I think the guy paid $12,000 extra for the
So they
Arabian gray.
paint. So Ford doesn't make this color. They
So this is
painted
a
it this color.
Mercedes color.
Okay.
It's like a G-Wagon color.
Oh wow.
And then it's called Arabian gray. So he decided he wanted what he wanted.
No, very nice.
And,
Very
you know,
nice.
and that's one of the beautiful things about Midwest. Out of all the manufacturers we deal with, they're the only ones that will give you a fully custom color. So they'll paint it matte black, matte white. You can get purple if you're Corey and you went to Gainesville High School. You're the purple
and
people
white.
Yeah.
Purple and white. You can get a purple Midwest van if you want. If you pay
Right.
$12,000, they'll paint it any color you want.
That's awesome.
This is the Arabian gray, which is a really, really unique, cool color. There's a
Yeah.
lot of silvers, carbonized gray, avalanche gray, ceramic grays, but this is very different.
Yeah, very nice. All right, take us out of here, man.
Yeah, check it out.
Yeah, let's look at that. Let's look at that color one more time. Congratulations to whoever bought this. You done good.
So check that out.
Yep.
Black wheels, everything is painted. Like, I mean, even like this. Even this, I mean, everything you see.
Oh
is
yeah, this
painted.
is usually just chrome here.
If I'm
but
this
that's-
guy, I'm probably taking all this stuff off here. I don't think I'm leaving it. What's cool about the Eco-Freedom is-
Patriot? No, man, it's good to have Patriot.
Yeah, I agree. I'm very patriotic, but in the spirit of the van, I think I'm
You
taking
can gray
the
it out.
But what's cool about the Eco-Freedom Package is no propane in this entire coach.
Oh, okay.
Everything is ran on the 1350 amp hours of lithium. So they painted everything up there, painted all the handles.
Yeah,
painted
and this is all-wheel drive, right?
This is all
Okay,
drive, yes.
so this could do a little bit of off-roading.
So even like coming in here, this is that all-in-one bay I was talking about. You have the outside shower, you have all of your different fills, your black tank flush, your gray tank flush, waste pump, and
Yeah, very
then
cool.
below it, this is where you have your power reel here.
You do
for your
not see
Macerator.
these often on any transit build.
I hope it's clean. Well, Zach did a good job of cleaning
Yeah,
it,
it's
so I don't
clean.
mind.
You're good. You're good. Okay.
Not that clean.
You might fall down in about 5 seconds.
Let's see. So once you pull it out,
Goes right back in.
Oh, when I break this guy's RV. There we go. How's that?
No, you're good.
Perfect. So there you go. So power reel there. Very neat. Then you have obviously all of the stuff from Ford.
Yeah.
You have the keypad, all of it.
Yeah, and you have all the power and all the torque that the Transit is the leader of in this segment.
How beautiful is that thing?
It's awesome, man. It looks fantastic.
Yeah.
You know, the only thing this is missing is a pop top, but you know, I'm greedy. I know.
Everybody wants a pop top. But if you do want a pop top, you never know. There's one down the pipe.
Yeah, it looks fantastic.
It does.
So thanks for sharing this with us. If someone sees this and they want to order it, what do they need to do?
Yeah, sunshinestatervs.com, and we can get the order placed, free delivery anywhere in the country. We'll fly you here. We'll deliver it to your house. Whatever we got to do to earn your business. As you can tell from Corey, from Zach, from our team here, we want to do whatever we got to do to earn your business.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. We're out. Peace. Woo.